Hi, everyone. Welcome
Hi.
back for another phonics lesson. This is day 5, and this is the third day we're looking at the long I spell blank Y. Whenever you see the blank Y in these sets of words, it's going to say I. What's it going to say?
Uh,
I,
What's it going to say?
I,
I. And by now you should be able to read it whole word. So I'm just going to point to the word and you're going to use all those blending skills that you gathered throughout your reading and try reading that to yourselves or reading it out loud with us. Ready? Line 1, 2, 1.
Apply,
Apply,
imply,
apply,
supply,
supply, and
reply.
wow, I thought I was going to trick you there. That long E spelled E is not familiar to you. So thank you so much for trying it and getting that right. So let's go ahead and take a moment to think and look back at this set of words. And remember, we're looking to see what pattern do you see here in the set of words, or what family are we working with here? So take a moment, thumb to your chest when you're ready. Boys and girls, remember, you're allotted more think time by just hitting pause and then unpausing. All right. Miss T, can you take a look at set 1 and think to yourself which pattern or family we're working with?
I think it's PLY, ply.
Ply. Do you agree or do you disagree with her? You can go like this too. Let me know if you agree with her. Let's check it. PLY, 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 and PLY. Kudos to you, Miss T. You got it. Yay! All right. So looking back at this set, all of them have the sound or the spelling PLY, which say ply. Okay, let's jump to that second line. Take a look at that set. Ready? Want to point out that this word has that long I spelled I blanky for familiarity. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Fire,
firefly, python,
python,
pie,
hyphen,
Oh, you didn't get tricked. That PH makes what sound? All right, last word.
myself,
Myself. All right. Again, let's take a look at that set right there. And remember, the goal is to figure out what pattern you notice in all these words or what family. Be careful. This one is more of a pattern. Thumb to your chest when you have an idea. It might be more difficult this time. You might want to look at the scooping that I created there. All right, thumb to your chest. And boys and girls, if this is too fast for you, hit that pause button and then come back to us. All right, Ms. Yakimowicz, looking at line 2, what did you notice?
I noticed two things. Each of the words has 2 syllables, but then I also noticed that there are digraphs in 2 of the words.
Oh, can someone please clarify what is a digraph?
A digraph is 2 letters that make one sound.
Awesome sauce. Thank you so much. You're right. And just to clarify for the students, looking back at line 2, Ms. Yakimowicz, where are my 2 digraphs? What words?
Python
Very nice.
and hyphen.
So we have the TH makes what sound? PH makes what sound? And you scooped it twice, which means that we're looking at 2 syllable count words. Excellent job. Kudos to you, miss. Thank you so much. And thank you, kids, if you noticed that as well. All right. Let's look at the last set. Notice that I'm not asking you to do fluidity, but you can take the time to practice them later. Ready? Here we go. 3. Oh, special note. We have a couple of I's here that are misbehaving. Okay, that means they're not following a specific rule. I want you to be mindful of how the teachers are going to read it and then think to yourself, what sound are they making instead of the I? Teachers, you're fluid readers. Let's go ahead and try this. 3, 2, 1.
Magnify.
3, 2, 1.
justify,
Justify. 3, 2, 1.
Multiply.
Ooh, and then this one doesn't fit.
Dynamic.
So you heard the teachers magnify, justify, multiply, and then dynamic. So think about it. You hit the pause button if you need more time. What is a pattern or a family or something else that you might have noticed in this line? Thumb to your chest when you've realized something that you would like to share. Miss Kim, looking back at line 3, what is something that you noticed?
I noticed that they all have the long I spelled Y. They all have Y. So you.
Wow. Yes. Very nicely done. Thank you so much. Anyone else notice something else in that line? Perhaps looking at the scooping? Yes, Miss T.
I could be wrong, so you can correct me, Miss Rosales, but I think the I is making a short I sound in the second syllable.
Okay, so can you reread that word for me, Miss T?
Magnify.
Can you do it without the blending or the scooping? Just read it.
Magnify.
Magnify. Try this word.
Justify.
Justify. This one.
Multiply.
Multiply.
Uh,
So it makes an sound.
yeah.
And if you remember in past lessons, I did mention that we have the schwa sometimes coming into play that make that shift in sound. So yes, so thank you for bringing that up. That is the pattern that keeps
Something that I like.
And thank you for allowing us to explore along with you, Ms. T. It is not easy to try something and volunteer to check in with the rest of the class. Thank you for being brave and feeling that this is a safe space to do that. All right, so watching for that schwa there, very nicely done. Anyone else notice something? Magnify, justify.
3 syllables.
Oh, yes, Miss Kim, rock star, you're right. 3 syllables. Nice job. All right, take a look at that sentence for me, please. Read it to yourself. And remember, the goal here is to identify how many words you see in the sentence that have the long I spelled Y. Long I spelled Y. And again, for the sentence, no thumb to your chest. What I'm looking for is the number of words in your hand that you see there that have the long I spelled Y. Okay, I see the same amount, 5. Miss Kim, can you start us off? What word do you see there with the long I spelled Y?
Dynamic.
Dynamic. Miss T.
Firefly.
Firefly. Miss Yakimowicz.
Python.
Back to you, Miss Yakimowicz.
Supply.
Oh, you didn't skip a beat, Miss T.
Magnifying.
Can you reread that word right there?
Magnifying.
There's something special there. That ing is called an inflectional ending. What's it called? Inflectional ending. Okay, so I want you to keep in mind, I'm just mentioning it now. In the future, I'll talk more about that, okay? Yes, inflectional ending, ing. We have more of those, like the es and other ones, but keep that in mind. Here we go. So what was that word again?
Dynamic.
Dynamic.
Firefly. Python.
Python.
Supply.
And magnifying. How many syllables were there? Show me with your fingers. Yes, 4. Nailed it. All right, now that we are familiar with these words, because the teachers helped us read it, we're going to tackle this sentence. Read it back to me. 3, 2, 1. The dynamic firefly and the python had a supply of magnifying glasses. For fluidity's sake, Miss Yakimowicz, can you reread that by yourself?
The dynamic firefly and the python had a supply of magnifying glasses.
Excellent. Miss T, you've been known for scooping. Can you show us?
Yeah, the dynamic firefly and the python had a supply of magnifying glasses.
Excellent, excellent job. Okay, boys and girls, you know what time it is. We have finished decoding, and it is time now to encode. And just like before, I'm going to ask you to take a whiteboard, marker, eraser, or if you have paper, pencil, that's fine. For those of you who are starting on the Seesaw app, using the Seesaw app, you can do that. Remember to hit record before you start spelling. Ready? All right, here we go. First word. My, I, my. I, my. The word is my. Show me. Great. Next word. Sly. What's the word?
Fly.
Sly. Oh, I. Oh, I. Sly. Show me. And remember, boys and girls, if it's too fast, pause. Yes, bring it down. Excellent. Ready? The word is ply. What's the word?
Ply.
Ply. Oh, I. Oh, I. Ply. Show it to me. Excellent, excellent. Next one. Ready? The word is shy. Shh. I, shy. Shh. I, shy. Show it to me. Great job, great job. Let's keep going. All right, the word is supply. What's the word? Supply. Up. Sup. Oh, I. Ply. Supply. Supply. Show me. Excellent, excellent. Ready? Myself. What's the word? Myself. I, my. Self. I, myself. Show me. Nailed it. Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead and continue. Ready. Next word. Imply. The word is imply. What's the word? Imply. I. Imply. Imply. Go ahead and show me. Excellent, excellent. Let's go to the very top. Justify. Ready? Just. It spelled I. Justify. And I did it sound on purpose because I can't tell you schwa yet. There. Justify. Show it to me. Nailed it. Tricky word. Ready? Multiply. What's the word? Multiply. Give me a short Sorry. I messed up there. Multiply. Multiply. Go ahead and show me. Yes. All right. Time for that sentence. Remember, if you don't need the support, you can just wait for me to dictate it to you or say it to you. But if you're one of the students that needs that scaffold, take the time to pause the video, write this down on your board, on your tablet, or on your paper, and then unpause the video and continue along with us. Thumb to your chest, teachers, whenever you're ready. Great. Excellent. Okay, here we go. He will justify. I'm saying it on purpose. Justify. Even though we say justify. How he will multiply. Purposely saying even though it's P-O-I, ply. Multiply the, and I wanted to see if you can try this word. The word is numbers. What's the word? Numbers. Num, burrs. Numbers. In his, I put that e's to help you. The word is reply. What's the word? Reply. R-E-P-O-I. Ply. Reply. So I'll repeat it one more time. He will justify how he will multiply the numbers in his reply. Teachers, when you're ready, show that answer response. Yes, great job. Pat yourselves on the back. Job well done. And boys and girls, pat yourselves on the back. Job well done, because this took a lot of work and you were able to make that connection. The long I here was spelled how? Blank Y. All right. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.